This video is to show you guys how to live stream. You want to learn? Alright. First, go to App Store. You type in Omlet Arcade. And then you press obtain. It says Omelette Arcade. My phone is in Spanish because I like that way. This is game live. Okay, like play games while you're being live. All right. Now we're gonna open it. It's opening. All right. If this is the first time you're doing it, you have to create an account. It's my first time. I'm gonna do it to show you guys too. I just select the picture. For now, I'll select the one of the ones they have. Whatever, I just choose this. Put a name. Then create an account. Alright, here you select the games you like. I like Fortnite, Call of Duty, Minecraft. For now, it's this today, okay? Now, to live stream. What do? Okay. Listen closely because now is the part I show you how to live stream. Using the screen recorder I'm using to screen record this video. I'm gonna show you how to connect the screen recording that iPhone has to this app and be able to stream. What you're gonna press is go live here in the bottom. And then I'm gonna press the plus button and then you're gonna put live. Continue. And then you're gonna log in with the media you wanna go live in. You could start session with Facebook, start session in YouTube, start a session on Twitch or RTMP, but that's a Omelette Plus, you have to pay for that. I do it on YouTube, so put YouTube. You have to log in, obviously. I'm logging in. Just real quick. What's up? So there you go, Omlet Arcade. And then you put allow. There you go, and then you put OK on top here. Alright, I'm logged in. Then you put transmit. And then you put next. And now to start recording, you obviously need to put start. It says empezar in Spanish, but it's start. Once you press start, you just start screen recording whatever the game you selected. First you have to configure that it's transmitting from this app, which you have to go on top on the right and then press this. Right now I'm recording on this one, alright, but it should appear, this app should appear, this one. Omelette Arcade should appear as an option. You press on it and then it should be recording and transmitting, going live with this app. And that should be it. You go to the game you want to go to play. In this case, it'll be Geometry Dash. Now we have to choose a game. I like to stream Geometry Dash. Easy game, nice, chill. I play it in my channel here. For here you put a description. I'll put something real quick. Send your levels, I am playing them. Geometry. Now, over here you have to put a description. Real quick. Senior geometry at levels on level. Play and right here. The quality. I like to put them in 720. Over here, leave it how it is. And then you have to put save on device. If you want to save the transmission after you're done. And then this is advanced supposedly, but don't worry about that. For the rest, you have to basically pay for it, but you can just put complete. It's telling you that you have to press that button and see that it's under your screen recorder. Okay. To just play. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Real quick, simple, not confusing, and it's really fun because you could go live through your phone. You don't need a computer. You don't need anything special. Honestly, you just need to have an iPhone. Obviously, there's Android versions and how to do it, but I have an iPhone, so I was like, I'm gonna do an iPhone one. There's plenty of Android already. You can search them up. And then, so, it's pretty easy, pretty fast, pretty cool. And just to go over it real quick. First, you go to App Store. Press Omlet Arcade. It should say download, and after it says download, press open. You create an account like I did. You log in. You log it into YouTube. Then you come out, and then you configure. You go down here. You press this button, and then you configure where you want to stream. This app should appear as an option. So after that, you have to live stream. You have to select and like put the title, description, and then just go to the app you're gonna play any game, and then just live stream. and it should be live streaming to the place where you have set it to live stream to. So yeah, that is basically it. Alright, man, hope you guys found this helpful. I really appreciate a like, a share. I'm doing these videos to help you guys out. It's pretty cool, pretty awesome. I actually use it. I really do use it. I don't have another app to live stream, so I really do recommend it. I'm not getting sponsored, I wish. So guys, I'll see you next time. Peace out.